Commissioner, kumakalat na po yung balita galing kay Secretary Remulla, your boss, na pinalitan na raw kayo. Is this correct?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon.
Commissioner
Tama ba
Tansinko.
yung Commissioner na
Na-receive
relieve of
ko
your
na
post?
na-receive ko na po from through the post sa media, but I have not yet been officially informed, Your Honor.
Not yet informed that you are being relieved or being transferred to another post, so wala.
Not yet, Your Honor.
Pero aware kayo na there is a certain move to replace you as the head of the Bureau of Immigration.
Through the media, Your Honors.
Yun lamang po, just to make that of record, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Madjo. But I hope, Commissioner, mag-stay on pa rin kayo sa aming hearing habang tumatakbo ito ngayong maghapon. We need all the agencies on board sa aming investigasyon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Salamat, Commissioner. Yes, SB Pro Tem.